What's up, guys? Here Ron. Welcome back to this series of building tier 2 mobile apps in tier 2 days. Before the start, I want to apologize with many of the people that are watching this video because I know I'm not being so updated the past days. All this is because I'm working in something big. I'm gonna create a very big video about something big that I'm creating. I'm gonna show you all the process. But we're back with this challenge, and I know so many of them gonna like this tutorial specifically because today we are gonna create an image generator mobile app using a free API and only with a few steps. So to get started, go to the research, in the link below. You're gonna find all the resources that I'm going to use, all the tools, and all the prompts. First of all, go to here, image generator. Now, first of all, go to starryai.com, but the section of the API. Obviously, you're gonna find this here, Starry API. Create an account, it's completely for free, no needs for a credit card or something like that. And create an API. For example, this is my API. This API offers around 100 images for free per month, and it's worth for this demo. Perfect. Copy the API. Perfect. Right. Let's say API. Normally, this is not gonna be like this. Obviously, I'm gonna change this, but this is my API. For example, this API is gonna be like that. Okay. Key. API. Right. And here is going to be API 2. API. The only thing that you need to do is paste your API in these two fields, your API key in this field 2, and that's all you need to do. And copy the prompt and go to Vercel. I know in the past videos we've been using Lovable. Today we're gonna use Vercel because I wanna make the things a bit different. Go to B0 by Vercel. Obviously, in the materials are going to be the tool, create an account, all the stuff like that. Paste the prompt. Yes, you're gonna say yes because the prompt is too long, so it's going to use it in a snippet way. Perfect. And send. Now it's just time to wait to the AI do the rest of us. Alright, guys, we are back. We finally have the image generator created. This particularly was made only with one prompt. Let's test it. Example on Cyberpunk City, for example. Click on generate. Remember, we are using free APIs, so normally it's gonna last a bit long and you use a paid API. But if you want to use a faster API or the stuff like that, just consider to go to a paid options or even a self-hosted options like Flux and many others. So that's awesome. We finally have our images created. It's incredible. Practically it's working. I just want you to think about that. This is only created with one prompt. And despite like this, I want to change the front end. So go here, build the front end, copy, paste, perfect, and we click on send. And meanwhile, we are waiting for this. It's time to create the logo. I have pre-created the logo. Obviously, you can copy this prompt for free. I'm gonna leave you in the material research. Perfect. Right. Oh, remember, guys, we are using Recraft AI. to build this logo because one of the rules of the challenge is I can only use free tier option to show you that you can build functionable mobile application using byte coding even with free tier option. So click here, export as a PNG to have no background. Perfect. I'm gonna label this. Alright, today's series, day number 8. Perfect. We save this. And the other app that we are going to use today is median.com because this allows you to build an application only using a web app. Remember, all this web coding application all this byte coding editor can only build web apps. I know there's another that can create Epica natively. We are gonna test it in the next videos, but to make these tutorials very easy to follow, today we're gonna use this. Very simple. First of all, create an account in median.com. Click on create a new app. Right, let's wait. Perfect. And here we are gonna paste the website URL that is being built in Recraft. Let me check if this already. I guess yes, it's already created. Yeah. I don't know why it's not showing the preview. Let me. All right. Perfect. Alright, let's wait a bit more because practically we changed the entire front end. Some things that I realized when I'm building the front end is normally the IP key calling the fallback with the image generation normally lasts a bit longer. When we were creating the chatbot, that didn't happen, but I don't know why. With the fallback with API is much working. For example, let's type again Cyberpunk Tesla car. Click on generate the images. Remember, we need to wait a bit more because this is a free option. Alright guys, we have the application, we have the images fully created. Alright, awesome. So the next step is going to deploy top production. Just time to wait. Right. Meanwhile, I'm waiting for here. Right. I'm gonna close this because I'm gonna copy this from because I want to leave you this here. Remember, all the resources are in the link below. Perfect. Logo prompt code. Perfect. Alright, simple copy this, paste into Recraft, and you can recreate a same logo as me. I really recommend you to change it, for being a bit authentic. It's been deploying yet, no worries, wait. Perfect. View site, let's wait that. Alright, gonna copy this link, go to median.com, perfect, paste here, right, sorry AI generator, alright, no problem. Mobile, mobile, I don't know, I'm not so really great building names. That's one of my weakness points. Perfect. Here we're gonna change the image. Right, let me find this 30 series, day number 8. This is the icon. I'm gonna scale. Alright. I like this. Time to save this. upload an image. Perfect. Now save the changes because done editing. Perfect. Now it's time to build the app. Download your app. Remember guys, I'm building this mobile application exclusively for Android. I have no access for an iOS device. To make this tutorial easier and skipping that step, but I promise you in the future I'm gonna bring to you tutorials to build your own mobile apps for iOS. So that's my apologies and sorry for all my iOS users that want to create their own mobile apps. But today it's turn off Android. Perfect. Build all. This is gonna build all the binaries. Perfect. Just wait. Perfect. Meanwhile, this is loading. I'm gonna look for the phone to test this. Alright guys, we have the final mobile app application installed. How you can see, I have already installed it. And I'm excited because it's the first time that I'm gonna test this mobile application. So let's create a new image. For example, Cyberpunk. I'm a bit fan of the Cyberpunk stuff, so don't judge me. Cyberpunk building landscape. For example. Alright. Generate image. So time to wait. Voila guys, we have our 4 images finally created. This mobile app is working, it's alive, and to be honest, I'm pretty excited. So guys, this was the video of today. Sorry for not being so active, but I promise you I'm working in something very big. I'm gonna share information in the next week. And remember, if you want to get access to the same templates that I use in this video, the cycle template that I use, you can go to the Buy Market. This is my personal website, link below, where you load all this template. This template have a small cost. This is only a way to support this series. I don't want to see this only a purchase. This is an investment in your knowledge. If you want to deep dive completely in the back coding, I really recommend you use this template. But if you don't want to do this, if you want to go to the free tier options, you can go with the link below to all the materials, all the searches that using, all the prompts and the tools. But if you want to get access to my personal templates that I use exactly for this video, remix it, use it, test it by yourself, you can go to the Buy Market. For a small amount, you're gonna get a template. I'm going to support this series of building tier 2 mobile apps in 30 days. So guys, many thanks for your time watching this video. I really wait to see you next. And remember, keep building, keep creating, keep believing in you. See you, my viewers.